Welcome to Mechanical Tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about TV stand bracket. So this is this TV stand and also I'm going to explain about this forming tool. So let's start now. So I'm in the new part file. So I have created simple rectangular sketch. Select this sketch, go to sheet metal module, select base flange. I have taken 2 mm thickness. See this here, sheet metal thickness I am taking 1 mm, bend radius as 1 mm and K factor as 0.4. Now I am going to create these slots. Select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal, keep it in wireframe. Select a straight slot. This is 45 degrees. Go to center line. Select this sketch, mirror entity, once again select these 2 slots, mirror entities, select the center line and go to sheet metal module and select extruded cut. Select this surface, go to sketch. So I am going to create these 2 holes, these 4 holes. Keep it in wireframe. Select a circle. Sorry, we have to mirror this. Mirror entities. Once again mirror entities. Select these two holes. So here I am using cut extrude, but you can use simple hole. Now I am going to cut these rectangular cutouts. Select this sketch, keep it normal, wireframe. So here go to simple rectangle. Since I have to mirror this, I have to place one center line. Now distance between these two lines is 15. Now select these corners for radius. So it is R4. Select the 4 corners. Say OK. Now select this line. Select midpoint. Control and select this horizon and make it horizontal. Now the distance between this edge and center point is 15. Mirror this feature, go to sheet metal, use extruded cut. See, we have to always select link to thickness in sheet metal. Now select a edge flange. Select these two edges. See here, there is a tearing. So we have to select this option, bend outside. Now select edge flange once again. So here we have to select material inside, and we have to select these both edges. This is 10. Now I have to create these fillets. So select break corners, and I have taken 5 mm. So okay. See, now I am going to create this forming tool and place on this component. See, here I have created this sketch. The rectangle size is equivalent to the bracket size, that is 100 mm by 100 mm, and for making this slot I have created a circle of 80 mm and I have placed a slot on this, that is 6 by 25. Now select the top plane, go to sketch and select this reference line and convert entity. So flip the direction, and this is 5 mm. This blank thickness we can have any size. So next select this face, go to sketch, keep it normal, and once again go to convert entity and select this slot. Go to extruded boss, keep it in isometric. See, here I am taking 3 mm and taper angle of 30 degrees. Say okay. Now select this face, go to fillet, fillet is 1 mm, say okay. Now hide all types. So this feature is created now. Now select front plane and right plane. Select axis. Here I am creating an axis. So once again I have to go to show ID options. So this axis is created. Now go to circular pattern. Select this axis. Features, select this extruded boss and fillet. Say OK. Now select this face, go to sheet metal, go to forming tool. Here there is no cutout on this feature, so we have to use only this option. We should not go to faces to remove. If there is any lancing operation, then only we have to use this option, otherwise we should not use it. Say OK. So the yellow part shows the forming tool. So we can save this file. See, for saving this file, go to forming tool and we can go and we can say open folder. So we can open, this is the shortcut. So you can open the folder and you can save this file. So here this is created now. Now I am going to place this forming tool. Select this face, go to forming tool folder. This is TV forming tool. So place it here. Now keep it normal. Go to position. Here select this center point and this edge. So the blank size is 100 by 100, so we have to give 50 by 50. So it fits exactly at the center. Say OK. So this is created now. So forming tool mostly we have to place at the last. Otherwise, because it takes the external reference. You can see right arrow. That means it's taking external reference. So if there is any slight error in this tool, it reflects on all the features. So we have to place at the last. So this is the component. So that's how we have to create this bracket with the forming tool. Thank you very much.